Today I will show you how to make beautiful unusual collar made in Romanian point lace technique. For work you need mat, cotton yarns, cords, beads, pins, scissors, crochet hook, and picture in real size. We divide our work on some parts. Firstly, we make a picture in real size, pin cords on the pattern, then crochet trims for the cords. Then you should fill in up all 3 places. I'm going to work with thread and sewing needle and make chaotic mesh with thread and sewing needle. Then I show you how to make the chaotic mesh with beads in the inside part of the collar. To complete the work, make trim for the collar. Let's begin the work. Make a picture in real size and pin it on the mat. For myself, I make some marks. This is the point where I will begin the work, and it is the direction. It is going to be a part of the trim and direction in crocheting. I begin from this point. Let's begin the work. For this I take long cord that I did in tutorial 47 of Crochet Cords Lace 3 playlist. I pin it on the pattern. Then you should continue working till the end of the pattern. Then you should sew in all places of continuity. I have already pinned my cord. I begin from this point. Then work it in this direction. Here I put 2 pieces together. Then I have sewn all places of continuity here, at this point, and here. And this is the beginning of the cord. Of course, I have sewn 2 pieces together as well. We are working on the front side of the project. Now I show you how to make a trim for the leaf. I begin in this point and continue in this direction. I did a loop. Insert the hook into the loop. Make single crochet. Make single crochet into each loop of the cord, like this. We stop and look at the pattern. Now I'm going to work with different all stitches. Yarn over the hook and make half double crochet to the next loop. Make half double crochet into the next back loop. Make double crochet into the next loop. 1, and make the second one into the same loop. Let's stop and look at work. Then make double crochet twice into the next loop. Like this. Yarn over the hook twice. Make 2 treble crochet into the next loop. I lost my loop. Let's repeat again. Make the second stitch into the same loop. Let's stop and look at work. It's okay. I'm going to work with 2 treble crochet into each of next 3 loops. I have done trim for 1/2 of the leaf. Now I am working with double crochet and half double crochet. Make double crochet twice into the next loop. Like this. Then you should make double crochet twice into each of next 2 or 3 loops. I have done some doubles. Then I'm going to work with 2 half double crochet into each of next loop. Let's continue 1 and make the second one into the same loop, like this. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I have done the first side of the leaf. Now I cut off the yarn and I'm going to remove yarn along the cord. As you can see the second line, so it means I am working with the second part of the trim. I change color of yarn. Firstly, I'm making a row of single crochet. Let's make the next row. Like this. So make single crochet into each stitch till the end of this row. And so on. I have done the second row of the trim. Let's make the reverse single crochet trim. So make reverse single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I have done the reverse single crochet trim. Let's make the trim for the bottom leaf. You should make the trim in the same way as I showed you before. It means firstly you need to do different all stitches, then a row of reverse single crochet. I have done trim for the bottom part. After that I did a row of reverse single crochet. As you can see, here we have one line, so I didn't do a row of single crochet. I didn't change color of yarn. In this case we have got 2 lines, so I changed the color of yarn. As you remember, we have done 2 rows. First row was single crochet and the second row was reverse single crochet. Let's make the inside part of the leaf. In this case I am working with thread and sewing needle. I didn't sew the cord to the pattern, I just pinned it. With the needle went through the stitches till the point where I will begin the work. Work from the left to the right or from the top to the bottom. With the needle, go through the loop of the cord. We skip the next loop, and with the needle, go through the second loop from the bottom to the up. Work with the opposite side. We skip the next loop, and with the needle, go through the second loop. We skip the next loop, and with the needle, go through the second loop from the bottom to the up. So continue working in this way till the end of the space. I have done all threads. Now work along the cord. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. And with the needle, go under the all threads. With the needle, go through the stitch of the cord and go back. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. The base is made. Now work with fill-in stitches. Work with the first thread. With the needle, go under the first thread, like this. Work from the bottom to the up. With the needle, go under the second thread and rub it. I pin 2 threads. Work from the up to the down. With the needle, go under the first thread and go back. With the needle, go under the second thread and rub it. So continue working in this way till the first thread. Pull a little bit. I have done the bottom part of the leaf. Work with the first thread. With the needle, go under the first thread. Now work with 4 threads. With the needle, go under the first thread and turn the sewing needle, and with the needle, go under the third thread. Working backwards. With the needle, go under the second thread, turn the sewing needle and work with the third thread. With the needle, go under the first thread, and with the needle, go through the third thread. Work with the second thread. With the needle, go under the second thread and the third thread. Then you should continue till the second line. pull a little bit. The first fill and stitch is ready. Work with the second line. With the needle, go under the first thread and work with the next fill and stitch. So continue working in this way till you will get the second fill and stitch. Then you should continue working with fill and stitches till the top of the leaf. We have done fill and stitches into the inside part, in the inside part of the leaf. The leaves are ready. Continue working with us in the second part of this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.